Guys, it's literally snowing. But welcome back to Kahilia's World. And bro, look. Guys, look. Snow.
You're just driving west.
Oh my god. Guys, look. Guys, come. Guys, come.
Look on the road.
Look over there. Oh my god. Guys, Khaleesi, say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Khaleesi, say hi.
Hello, bro. The snow is falling.
Bro, the snow.
It's snowing so hard.
Guys.
The snow is getting worse every single second. Bro, do you see how it was blowing down?
No, it was, look over there. It was snowing calmly. But it's gonna, bro, look right there. It's gonna start coming fast.
You don't move. You stay. We will come to you. It's probably downstairs. We need to go there.
Oh, guys,
When I look at that, that looks like a gigantic elephant bus.
because you're short. Guys, it's coming down fast.
Come, guys. Come.
Guys, come. You have, oh guys, look, it's snowing. It's snowing. Come. Guys, look, it's snowing. Damn. Oh my god. Oh.
The rain expansion.
Oh my god.
The rain expansion. It's been in snow.
Guys, look at me. 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 Mommy, what's wrong with you? Oh my god. Now I'm inside. Look at the view. Bro, it's snowing like crazy. Bro, say hi. Auntie Carrie, say hi. Yeah, I'm eating this. That's a seafood boil.
Is there lobster here? Yes. Or shrimp. I love shrimp.
Come in. I want your boy.
I would love the shrimp.
Bye, guys. American shrimp. Guys, so check it out the menu to find out.
Hey, yo, there's a burger.
So I'm trying to get this. Look at this shit. I would like this.
Alright, baby, let's do this. When the kids,
Mommy, I want this.
loyalty. Huh? You have the kids menu?
Peace out. I'm just gonna video when I get my food. Peace.
Alright, for the children.
So guys, I got my food now. Shrimp. Snow crab, corn, potato, shrimp.
Everyone except you and the Daddy, the ketchup is cold. It's snowing
This is good, guys.
Only for you after. Does that have shrimp sauce in it? And does that have shrimp sauce in it?
Baby, you need to eat now before it gets cool.